take a picture with her with her crown on.
Oops.
Stay.
Everybody ready?
Wait.
Get them wound up so they'll all leave her.
Ready. 1, 2, 3, now! Oh, that's not a toy, honey.
What was that?
Kids looking around like, what
Good girl. Wow. Jeez, Robbie?
Robbie.
Whose is this? Blair's, isn't it?
All right, Dodge, come here. There you go. Good man. Good boy.
Oh, sorry, girl. This is
It would have been better.
Saturday, May 7th, in the Cyclone Birthday Bash.
I like the first try when Dodge just sat there. Where am I going?
Kathy and Dodge. Kit. Hey, can everybody just get your dog so I can, you know, say hello?
Karen, what to say? Say hello. I say, hey, this is them.
I got Kathy and Dodge. There's Julia and Darwin.
Yes. Dar, where's Mama?
Hey, Dar. And Diane and Pizzazz. Robbie and Jenny Puppy. Darwin is Goody and Robbie Puppy. Aww. And there's Blair and Sue. Blair is Robbie Jenny Puppy. Hi, girly. There's Sue. And Chris and Betcha, Robbie Jenny Puppy. Sure. Oh, dude, what are boy dogs? Hey, you guys gotta watch this. Sue. Sue. Gotta watch this. Do it again.
What boys do?
Kathy and Pace, Robbie, Jenny. Who am I missing? Sally and Holly. Holly Collie. And Sally. Did I get everybody? Okay.
Oh my God.